Hello guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, Ramai, can you hear me? Yeah, good. Actually, in the last week, we were just discussing about the, what is it called? Uh, taking the readings of vernier caliper. Isn't that the basic readings of vernier caliper and parts of it and how to use it? I just did it in really fast forward way. And also, I taught you like how to get some readings even. But today, I'm just planning to teach you something else. That is what? Take the error calculation. How to make the error calculation. This is what the lesson for today. Sorry, not error calculation. Zero error. Zero error and error calculation of that. How to add and subtract the zero errors and what type of zero errors are there and everything all together. හරි. අද තාම ළමයි ටික නම් නැහැ. මම ලින්ක් එක දාන්නත් පොඩක් පරක්කු වුණානේ. කට්ටියට පොඩ්ඩක් ඒක හිතා ගන්න බැරි වෙන්නේ. හරි. දැන් ඔයාලගේ මට පොඩි අවුලක් තියෙනවා. So I have one problem with you because you guys don't submit me the answer sheets. That's why I just stopped providing you the midweek worksheet. But normally Babidu and Chalaka normally do in the very last moment at least. But all of the others don't do the midweek worksheets and submit. That's a very big problem. Right? That's a very big problem. So we have to pay more attention to that part. Okay. හරිද? Shall we start today's lesson? වරංගම lesson එක. Guys. මාව ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද? කතා කරන්න බලන්න. Jalada, I think you can speak normally.
Can hear, sir.
Yeah, good. So I'm going to start the lesson for today then. So technically we happen to learn that how to take the readings of vernier caliper. Isn't that? Okay. So just reminding you how to get it. So you may see that the 0 line, and I will mark this one like 5. Then what is it? 6 in centimeters. How to take the reading of this one? How to take the reading of this one? Can you just let me know how to take the reading of this one? What is the reading? Reading is equals to, we know that the main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. Main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. By the way, now tell me how to obtain the main scale reading and how to obtain the vernier scale reading. ළමයි කතා කරන්නකෝ. At least text. So tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Let me check, because this is the ultimate understanding in the last week video. Last week lesson. ළමයි answer එක දාන්නටක් ගාලා. Nobody sent me the answer yet. Tell me the answer for this one. දන්න බැරිද? මතක නැද්ද? ළමයි කියන්න. Last week I taught you this entire thing. ළමයි, let me know if you just can't, if you don't remember. It doesn't matter. මම ඒ ටික ආපහු පාරක් කියලා දීලා යන්නම් එමු. ළමයි, let me just know whether you can do it or not. ළමයි මේක බැරි නම් බෑ කියන්නකො. මොකද මේ ඉන්නේ? I will do it. Doesn't matter if you can. Just tell me. So I can't, because I have to understand your level. If you really can deal with this one, then I have to teach you again. That's the simplest technique. Only one guy told me that he doesn't know. Others? Let me know whether you can do it or not. මතක නැත්තම් මුලින් ඉඳන් හරි කියලා දෙන්න ඕනේ. Simple. තමයි ඔයාලා මට මේක කියනකම් මම එක වචනයක් මෙතනින් එහාට කියන්නේ නැහැ. Yes or no කියන එක හරි කියන්න ඕනේ. Hey, what type of people you are? මාව ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද කියන්නකෝ. මාව ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද දන්නෙත් නෑනේ. Can hear. Then what's wrong with the others? මෙතන මම introvert scene එකම නෙමෙයි තියෙන්නේ යා. Bavindu. Your answer is approximately yes. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. I didn't tell you to send me the answer. If you don't know the method, just let me know. If you know, send me the answer. Right. චතුනි කියන්න I think කතා කරලා නැහැ නේ. යා කොහොමද response කරන්නේ නැහනේ. මතීසා මොකෝ මතීසා වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? මතීසා yes sir නෙමෙයි පුළුවන් ද බැරිද කියලා කියන්න ඕක. Right. Firstly, you have to take the main scale reading. You have to take the line which has just been passed by the zero line of the main vernier scale. What is the line? 5 in the main scale centimeter reading. According to here, this is like 5.2 cm. So, what is the vernier scale reading? To take the vernier scale reading, if you can remember, you have to go for the number of lines coincided with the least count of the vernier scale. What is the number of lines coincided? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see clearly that the fourth line is coincided here. So 4 times 0.01 centimeter. So what you are going to do is 5.24 centimeter is the answer. In terms of millimeter, you can keep it like 52.4 millimeter. Whatever the way, you can keep the answer. Okay, guys. Okay, the next one. Now write zero error of vernier caliper. එකපාරින් ඔලුවට ගන්න. Get this into your head within one time because this is extremely important thing, right? This principle is the same principle will be applied in micrometer and other one called what? Spirometer and all the future lessons. The only thing you don't want to consider zero error is traveling microscope. Apart from traveling microscope, all the other devices like micrometer and sub contain this zero error thing. It's a really important lesson. So zero error of vernier caliper. Write this in a new line. Zero error is a type of systematic error which shows what? Preoccupied error preoccupied error preoccupied error preoccupied error before taking any reading. Right? So you should know one important thing here. What is that? So if there is an error, there should be something without error too. Firstly, you have to understand what is this without error condition. Then only you may be able to understand the under error conditions. Right? So give me a 1 second. Let me to open up the Qt vernier. It. Right. This is what our theory gives. So we have to go for something called here very basics we have done. Now it's the time to learn about the but zero error. Right. Now write this in a new line. In a vernier caliper, when both external jaws are firmly closed. In a vernier caliper, when the external jaws are firmly closed, firmly can තදට කියන එක නෙමෙයි හොඳට ගෑවිලා තියෙන්නේ. හොඳට. Firmly closed. When the external jaws are firmly closed, external jaws are firmly closed. When the external jaws are firmly closed, the zero line of the main scale and the zero line of the vernier scale should place in the same line. Coaxial. Or overlap with each other. You can write like overlap with each other, coaxial, placed in the same line, like whatever. See? Now see, both the zero lines are on the same line.
තේරෙනවද මේකේ බිඳුව අතර කිසි gap එකක් නැහැ, no gap. Right, see now the other lines the gap increasing 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 like that until here 0.9 and finally cross with each other. So zero lines should be, so both the zero lines should be coincided with each other. Both the zero lines should be coincided with each other as this diagram represents. හරි නේද? මේ diagram එකේ තියෙනවා වගේ zero lines දෙක coincide වෙන්නම ඕනේ. Okay ළමයි? Understand that? Right. Now copy this diagram. Write this in a new line. This condition is known as no zero error. No zero error. This condition is known as no zero error. Right. Copy this diagram. Only taking 1 minute. Well, only taking 1 minute. Have you finished this one? I don't need any beautiful drawing. Just drawing is enough. Since I don't need any artist here, I need the physicist. Done that. Good. Now, right, there are basically 3 types of zero error. One is what? First one, no zero error. First one is what? No zero error. No zero error. I have already discussed about that. Number 2, what? Positive zero error. Zero error. Number 3 is what? Negative zero error. Okay. Now write the first line, first subtopic, because this one is already discussed. Positive zero error. When are you guys having term tests? ඔයාලට term test එහෙම නැද්ද ළමයි? ආයෙත් මම හිතන්නේ දුන්නේ නැහැ මේක මම අරගෙන ගියා. ළමයි ඔයාලට term test නැද්ද? තමයි ඔයාලගේ ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් ඉවරද තියෙනවද? එහෙම එකක් නැද්ද? 23rd. Really good. Don't know. Up to what lesson will it come? Chalaka? Chalaka, up to what lesson will it come? Huh? What? Okay, have a really good look at. So write the positive zero here under the topic of positive zero here. When the jaws, external jaws actually, external jaws, when the external jaws are firmly closed, when the external jaws are firmly closed, when the external jaws are firmly closed, there might be a reading on the scale in the positive direction as a in the positive direction. This condition is known as positive zero error. Hari. Have a good look at this one now. You can see this jaw 1 and jaw 2 are firmly closed. And you may see there is a reading here. Actually, the reading has done something even though the lines are closed. Right? So according to this diagram, it is like we have to read it as if a normal reading. Right? Write this in a new line. To obtain the reading, how to read it like a normal reading in a vernier caliper. Normal reading in a vernier caliper. See, this one is coincided with the third line. That's why the number 3 is written here. Right. So how to use the following equation to do that? How to use the following equation to do that? So positive error equals n times least count. In the simple method or in the long version, you can write like positive zero error equals to number of lines coincide in vernier scale multiplied by the least count. ඕකත් ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ මම. මේ equation එක හොඳටම ඇති. If you really like, you can write. Right? මේ diagram එක copy කරගන්න මම වෙලාව දුන්නේ නැහැ නේ. මේ diagram එක copy කරගන්න තමයි මෙන්න මේ. You don't want to draw this one. You don't want to. But this one. Copy this diagram quickly. Copy this diagram quickly. Okay, copy. Done copy. Yeah, good. Did you copy this equation even? If you have copied this equation even, we can move on to the next step. So now write this in the new line. According to the above example, 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 it has to take the zero error considering the coincided line as the third line. Coincided line as the third line. So what is the positive error then? 3 into 0.1 millimeter. You can get the zero error in terms of like this, 0.3 millimeter, or in terms of centimeter, or in terms of centimeter, how to get it? 3 times 0.01 cm equals to 0.03 centimeter in terms of centimeter. Enough. I think time is enough for you. Introverts. Now write the negative zero error. Subtopic negative zero error. Please don't write. I have to teach you an example how to remove this. So, right? Did you write the negative zero error? If you read, cancel it by a pen line and write this again. How to remove negative zero error? Positive zero error. How to remove positive zero error? How to remove positive zero error from a reading. Right. Have a good look at. There is a dude. කියන්නේ කවුරු boy කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. And you may know his height as x. That's what his height. But now he's just about to measure his height in a measuring tape. But the measuring tape is kept from along a certain wall. The wall is starting from the floor. Now the dude is there. This one has a initial length of what? H. It has some initial height of H. So how will he get his height now? So you have to keep these two on top of here. Now you may get certain reading as the height. From his head height, you may get some reading of capital H. Now, how to get his real height? Your reading value is this one. How to get the real height? Real height. How? Because you have taken some few inches. Imagine this guy is like 6 foot. He's like a 6 foot. But there is a certain wooden block over there. That one has a height of what, 2 inch. Now his height is written read as what, 6 foot 2 inches. Is that true? No. We have to find out his real height. How? By subtracting this value from here. Then you may get his real height as what? 6 foot only. Can you understand? ඒ කියන්නේ මෙයාගේ 6යි 2ක් උස පෙන්නනවා. හැබැයි මෙයා ඉඳලා තියෙන අගල් දෙයක් උස ලෑල්ලක් උඩ. එහෙනම් එයාගේ උස 6යි 2ක් නෙමෙයි. 6යිනේ හරියටම. තේරුණාද? In this type of preoccupied breathing, you have to subtract that. Understand? තේරුම් නැත්නම් නෑ කියන්න. This is the basic method. So in that case, what you have to do, actual reading. Actual reading equals to what? Reading minus what? 0 error. In couple adu karala ikkara. Right, okay. So if it got a reading, example number 1, but reading of what? 3.56 what? Centimeter. 3.56 centimeter. What is the real reading? Real length? Real length with above 0 error. Above 0 error. What is my 0 error as the above one? Here, see the 0 error was 0.3 millimeter. In terms of centimeter, it's like 0.03 centimeter. Another 0.03 centimeter. Right. Now let me know. You know the 0 error already now. What is the 0 error? The positive error, it was like 0.3 millimeter or 0.03 centimeter. Now what is the reading? What is my reading? අග්ගල හොයලා උත්තරේ කියන්නේ. Yeah, your answer is right, Caliper. Very good. That's the answer. Very good. හැමෝම දාන්න තමන් තාපු answer. Bavindu is also correct. Bavindu is also correct. Very good. ළමයි කොහමද උත්තර නැහැ. ළමයි, I don't have any answers yet. Hello guys. I don't get any answer yet. Hello. Bavindu and Charaka only provided me the answers. Reading equals to actual reading equals to reading minus error. What is my actual reading? The reading is like 3.56. You have to subtract it from 0.03 because all in centimeters. You have to go with this one or with this one. You will finally get the answer 3.53 centimeter. තේරෙන්නේ නැති කියලා විශ්වාස කරනවා. I believe you understood somewhat of it. Now write the negative 0 error. Negative 0 error. So how can we just understand the negative 0 error? Now write when the jaws of external jaws when the external jaws of vernier caliper is firmly placed on each other, the scale of the vernier caliper may show a reading which is a negative reading. May show a reading which is a negative reading in the opposite direction of how it should have taken. So actually this one is supposed to slide along this reading to right hand side, but this one has moved to left hand side. So copy this diagram, please. Don't copy this one, only this one. Copy this diagram. Oh shit! I added that to the group name. Wait, I'll forward. Jaraka is sending. Okay, copy this one. I'll give you only 30 seconds more. So 30 seconds more. Right. Write this in a new line. The zero error calculation formula for negative zero errors as following. You can't take like the previous reading. You can't take it like in the previous one, n times least count. If you use for this one, it's wrong. No, you can't use. Because the setup is different, completely different. So the negative zero error is going to be something like this. N minus simple n times of least count. Mostly I have seen many students just wind up with this one. They only take this equation is completely wrong for the negative zero error. So let me write the word equation. -0 error equals to what? Number of total vernier lines, number of total vernier lines minus number of vernier lines coincided times least count. Least count. This is what the number of total. This is what the number of vernier lines. This is what the least count. This is what the error. Okay. Copy these two equations. Direct gonna back because see, actually it hasn't moved some 0.8 millimeters. It has only moved very small distance, what 0.2 millimeters. But this is running in the opposite direction. This is running in the opposite direction. So the reading should start at the opposite. If you are just pushing this in the positive direction, the reading at the beginning. But this from the rear side, the reading also on the rear side. But actually it shows like 8 because the reading started markings on the line started at opposite side. So you have to do an opposite operation. How to find out the total lines coincided? So get the total number of lines in the vernier scale and subtract it from the line coincided. You will get the actual number of lines which is coincided. Understand? I'll explain. Is there anybody who can't understand this one? මම හිතන්නේ මේ පන්ති ඉන්න එකම ළමයා ජලක විතරයි. බවින්ද විතරයි හිටලා ඉන්නවා. අනිත් එකෙක්වත් සද්දයක්වත් නැහැ. Copy this one. I'll give you only 20 seconds more. All right. How to read the error of above mentioned but 0 error. How to get it? The -0 error equals to number of lines coincided multiplied by the least count. No. Always remember equation is something like this: n minus n times the least count. How should it be now? 10, normally there are 10 lines, only 8 coincided, multiplied by 0.01. So my answer is becomes 2, altogether 2, and 0.01. So the error is -0 error is 0.02 centimeter. Copy this. Copy this. Right, good. But if you said he finished, that means the others also had the enough time. So now right. Now remove the zero error. Now write example number 2. Remove the above zero error. Above zero error from a reading of what? 10.46 centimeter. So sorry, let's get like 8.46 because normally we don't use vernier caliper to find out the reading above 10 because we can use made ruler without errors because the minimum error margin is 1%. Is less than the 1% for about 1 meter. Sorry, 10 centimeters. Okay, for this one, try to find. Tell me the answer. I will give you like 30 seconds. I didn't teach you the method of removing. I want to check your understanding firstly. Then if you understand really well or really bad, it doesn't matter, I will teach. Well or bad, it doesn't matter. No, my dear, no. No. Wrong. I didn't teach you the method yet. I want to check your common sense. IQ level. Yeah, Chalaka has a really good IQ level. His answer is correct. Matisa, අද නම් ඔයා හරියන්නේ නැහැ මොකෝ දන්නේ නැහැ වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Matisa. Matisa. Hey. Matisa අද නිකන් මත්සෙක් වගේ වෙලා. සත්‍යයක් නෑ. Yes sir නෙමෙයි මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා ඒක සත්‍යවත් නැත්තේ. Matisa. Hello. ඒකාංගී පොඩක් කතා කරන්නකෝ මේ එක කිව්වත් නිකන් මේ ඉන්නවද කියනවද මට ෂුවර් එකක් නෑ ඒක. ඒකාංගීව පොඩක් කතා කරන්න. Hello කොහොමද?
හොඳයි සර්.
මම හිතුවා අදත් මේ අර හොම්බ තලා ගන්න ගිහිල්ලා කියලා. එහෙම නැද්ද? So ඉතින් දැන් මේ ටික තේරෙනවද මම ඉතින් අද ජොයින් වුණා. Zero error remove කරන්න ටික තේරෙනවද? Can you understand the how to remove the zero errors? Okay. මම දන්නේ මාව ඩල් වෙනවා මේ ක්ලාස් එක කරගෙන යද්දි මේ කට්ටිය නෑ 2023 එකේ අම්මෝ ඉන්නවා ඩබල ඉස්සු හැදෙනවා දෙන්නගේ කඩව එක ඊළඟට ඒක ඉන්න එක්ක එකම මොකද අනිත් තුන ටිකක් කතා කරනවා නැත්නම් මුතුම හතර පහ දෙනෙකුත් ඉන්නවා නැත්තේ නෑ ඉන්නවා තුන් හතර දෙනෙක් නම් අම්මා මොකුත් නෑ පට්ට කඩව ටිකක් ඉතින් ක්ලාස් එක පට්ට මේ නිකන් හැපනින් විදියට යනවා කම්මැලි නෑ පොඩ්ඩක්වත් මෙතන මේ වාලා හත්පත් නැතුව ඉන්නකොට මඩත් චුට්ටක් කම්මැලි ඔයාලටත් කම්මැලි දැන් මඩ ඉතින් අර පොඩ්ඩක් අර ඉනායල කතාවක්වත් කියන්න ඉතින් නෑනේ ඔයාලගේ සද්දයක් වත් නැති ඉතින් මම දන්නේ නැහැ ඔයාලා මොනවද කරනවද તો මම කරුණ එකම දේ ක්ලාස් එක කියාගෙන යනවා මේ එක්සැම්පල් දාගෙන යනවා එක්සම් තියරි කරගෙන යනවා responses නැති පන්තියක් ඒක. තේරුණාද? ඉතින් අනේ මම ඉතින් ඒක ගැන කතා කරලා මට බෑ මට දෙන්නේ මගේ මේ 2024 කියන්නේ ෆස්ට් එකෙත් එහෙම තමයි ෆස්ට් එකෙත් ඉන්නවා මේ තුන් දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා ටිකක් ඇක්ටිව් දෙන්නෙක් විතර වගේ පොළොව දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්නවා දෙන්න පාර ඇක්ටිව්ලි පාටිසිපේට් කරන දෙන්නෙක් ඒ ඇරෙන්න හම්මට සිවි කෙරුණු ටිකක් ඉන්නවා මුකුත් නෑ මන් දන්නේ මේ මොකක් හරි මේ IC එකක් ගලවලා අයින් කරලා මේගොල්ලෝ දෙක කියලා සෙට් එකටම සත්‍යයක්වත් නෑ ඉන්නවද නැද්ද මැරලාද කියනවත් මම දන්නේ එකෙක් කියලා කතා කරන්නේ අර සෙට් එකක් යා ඉන්නවා ඒක එකම එක ගෑනුනා රචලි කියලා ඉන්නවා ටිකක් අන්න පොඩි කටප් එක පොඩි පහේ කටප් එක තේරුණා හරි okay I will Bavidu hari answer I'll explain you with the same dude image now the dude is there he has a height of x I don't know but there was a certain what scale there it was designed to take the reading with the what with what that plank with that plank that's how it was designed now the plank is no longer there plank is been removed now he has to stay on the ground mara වැඩේ වෙන්නේ now the previous plank was removed now he has to stay there his height is read as somewhat lower than his regular height this is what is reading capital H and there is a what simple H height of this one it had now it's like taking the reading with some step backward ඒ කියන්නේ අඩියක් පස්සට තියලා තමයි ගමන යන්න පටන් ගන්න so how to mark his height now how to mark his height x equals what h minus definitely I have to remove means subtract but this height was a negative height not the positive height like previous it's a negative height it's a negative height so negative h so what about the final result h plus simple h you have to add that the way of solving it is something like this let me go for the proper explanation so the actual reading equals to reading minus what negative error so it's like AR equals R minus negative error so minus and finally becomes plus actual reading is equals reading plus error everyone can you understand this algebraical operation here I use whole lot of algebra here am I good now how to read that one my reading is like 8.46 how to get the actual reading 8.46 minus what minus 0.02 so finally it becomes 8.46 plus 0.02 my finalized answer is for the actual reading is become 8.48 centimeters. That's how it is. Really simple method. Okay. Okay, Lamai. Before taking these readings, let's write some reason. Reasons for positive errors. Write that. Reasons for positive errors. I may a positive error. Sorry, reasons for zero errors, not positive. Zero errors. Reasons for zero errors. Write the first one. Write this in a new line. Positive error may occur with a star point. Positive error may occur due to manufacturing error. Manufacturing error or deposit of what? Deposit of impurity like deposit of impurity like grease on jaws, grease on external jaws. Right. Have a good look at this is how it was supposed to be. But if there is a impurity like grease or something, grease, glue or something, deposit on this one. This layer will add what? A positive error. Right? Can you understand? අඳින්න ඕනේ නැහැ තේරුම් විතරක් ගන්න. Reason for positive error. Now write the next line. Reasons for negative error might be manufacturing error or wear off of parts in vernier caliper, likes of what? External jaws. If it has one of, it was supposed to be like this much. Now only this much we have. One of what? Jaws. Right. On ඔය reasons ටික දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. term test වල අහනවා. ඇයි මෙහෙම වෙන්නේ? ඇහුවොත් අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ. මෙන්න මේ නිසායි වෙන්නේ. So you should know the basic reasons behind this type of positive or negative whatever zero error. Right? ඔය කියන ඕනම ජාතික සීරෝ වල එකක්. ආවේ කොහොමද කියන්න අපි දැනගෙන ඉන්නවා. right? හරි නේද? Okay, guys. So now let's try some calculations from this one. Not all. I need you to find the readings of the vernier caliper below. So let's try the first three only. Do not try करूंगे. Let's try the first three. Quickly. Let's try to obtain these results. Okay, try this. I'll give you like 2 minutes. It's maximum of 2 minutes. Okay, lamai. So how to find out the rating of this one? The first one. See the rating over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which one is most tallying? You may see that this is the second line, which is the tallying one. The reading on the vernier caliper is going to be number of lines multiplied by the least count. In here, the number of lines is the second line. multiplied by the least count of 0.01. So it's the reading is 0.02 centimeter is the reading. It's not a very big rocket science behind there. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth line is in tally with each other. The reading is what number line is like 6 multiplied by the least count of 0.01. So you may get the answer like 0.06 centimeter. Third one here, first line 1, 2, 3, 4 is the fourth line. Reading equals to 4 multiplied by 0.01. So the answer is like 0.04 centimeter. Really simple one. Now it's about finding some zero errors here. So let's try to find out the zero error very quickly. I need to teach you the screw principle today as well. Micrometer screw gauge thingy. Quickly do it over here. Hari, hadala iwarayida. Enough, ne? Assuming the jaws are tightly closed, find the zero error. This one is a negative zero error because it has moved in some negative direction. So I have to look at 1, 2, 3, and 4th line is coincided here. You have to understand that we can't just directly use 4 because why? Negative error is 10 minus 4 times 0.01. So it's like 6 times 0.01. So the answer is like what? Minus 0.06 centimeter. The zero error. Okay, here it's a positive one because the dial is moved to the right hand side of it. So which line is coincided over there? Let's magnify and see. This line, that means the 6th line is coincided. It's a positive error, but it's n times of the least count. N is 6 multiplied by 0.01. Answer is as previous as the same. 0.6 centimeter. Only difference is this one is a positive. Error equals to positive one. Now in the next one, let's try to get it. Here in the next one, which line is also positive error? Number of line. Oh no, it's a negative error. Wait, it is a negative error because the direction is opposite. 6th line, 10 minus 6 times least count is like 0.01. The line is like 4 into 0.01. The answer is 0.04 centimeter. Got this point? Okay, understood? Right, good. Let's move on to this one. This one is extremely important. You have to find out the error, find out the reading, and the final answer also. Right, let's start. Multiply by one more time. So you may get like 6 minutes because to find out the error, 1 minute, do the calculation another minute. Like there are 6 steps you have to do. So you may get like a time of 6 minutes for this one. Right, let's see quickly. Okay, guys, I think you finished this one. Right, let me check this one. This is a negative zero error because it moved to the left hand side. So what is the line? It is coincided here. 7th line. So in the negative one, you should know that 10 minus 7 times 0.01. So it's like 0.03 centimeter as a negative error. Right. You may get a reading here. According to this reading, how to get the reading? Main scale reading is 0 plus vernier scale reading. Main scale reading is 0 because it just hasn't passed any line in the main scale. Plus the vernier scale reading is going to be 6. 6 times 0.01. My answer is going to be like 0.06 as the reading. So how to get the error subtracted here? Actual reading. Actual reading is going to be the reading minus negative error. So it's a negative error. My reading is like 0.06 minus negative 0.03. My answer is going to be 0.09 centimeter. Did you get this answer? Then my answer is ළමයින්ට ආවද? ඔයාලට මේ answer කවුද තමයි? ළමයි, did you get this answer? නෑ මම ජාතිය හත්තු ටිකක් මේ වන්ති ඉන්නවද කියලා බවින්දුස් calipers. Zero error here. It's a positive one. Which line is coinciding? The third line. So 3 times 0.01. It's going to be 0.03 centimeter. And the reading on this one is like the reading is equals main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. So what is the main scale reading? It's just past the one. So main scale reading is 1.0 plus 0 plus what is it? Main scale reading only can be get for the first decimal point only because resolution is not 1. And the vernier scale reading is going to be, which line is coinciding here? It is the 6th line. So 6 times reading is like 0.01. I may get like 1.0 plus 0.06. So my reading is 1.06 centimeter. And there is a positive error here. Positive error, and how to get the actual reading? Actual reading equals to reading minus error. That's the positive error. Reading minus error. Reading is 1.06 minus 0.03. So my reading is going to be 1.03 centimeter. That's it. I hope that you guys got the answer on this one. And the very last one, I will give you like 10 seconds to copy this down. What is the negative error here? So the negative error, that means the 10 minus, which line is coinciding here? 4th line. 4 times 0.01. So your answer is like 0.06 centimeter is the reading. This one has our key. This is the next level question. Next level, because why? This is the 7th centimeter mark. And you have to find out which line is this one. How? Count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how the 6th line it should be. So from there, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it has gone past, but 6.4. Can you understand that is as 6.4. Mama නම් කරන්නේ I will complete this one up to here. 1 2 3 4 5 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 means 6. This is 7, this is 6. Now you can easily find out which line is that. 1 2 3 4. That means 6.4. The reading equals to the main scale plus vernier scale. What is the main scale reading? It is 6.4. And what is the, can you understand how did I get 6.4 here? මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න එනවා. අපිට count back. Something like you have to count back. Can you understand the way how I arrive at this answer? Yeah, really good. I arrived at the answer really in a different manner now. Now let me find out the reading here. That's the third line. 3 times 0.01. So the answer is like 6.4 plus what? 0.03. So my overall answer is going to be 6.43 centimeter. That's not the final answer. Now I have to remove this. Whatever is a negative error, you know how to get the negative error removed. Actual reading is going to be what? Reading minus negative error. So put that in that order. You won't get disappointed if you do like that. 43 plus what is going to be now? 0.06. Now my answer is going to be 6.49 centimeter. I did all the possible calculations on this one. Now can you understand all about what? Vernier caliper? Vernier caliper can තේරුණාද? Copy this down. So I will give you like maximum of 15 minutes as the break. So join back to the class after some 15 minutes as a very short break. It's not a very long break. So I'm going to start the counting for 15 minutes. Now enough. I'll give you enough time to copy this down, and another 20 seconds I'll give you. Firstly, copy this down. Right. After that, I'm going to go for screw principle. Screw principle is really important part to understand about micrometer screw gauge and what is it? Spherometer. Right. Let me do this one. Interval. You will get some 15 minutes for the interval.